side of the island from the pier that we just got dropped off at. But we just checked into our hotel. Everything's good. We're trying to cool down a little bit. I'm super burnt. And then we're going to head to Loh Dalum, which is hopefully just an 8-minute walk away, as long as we don't get lost this time. So it just started raining as we're walking down to the water. So gonna go try to take a dip. It just got so gray out, you can barely see the landmass on the other side. But the water is so nice and the sand is so soft. Happy?
I'm so happy. Even though it's raining, like, I don't even care. This is amazing.
And it might change. It's pretty blue sky on the other side. Pretty gray in front of us, so we'll see which way it's going.
Yeah, look how blue it is right there.
Yeah, it's like beautiful blue skies right behind us, and then completely dark and cloudy gray in front of us. Once again, I brought my phone and wallet. It is pretty trustworthy. Put it underwater. And it stopped raining. We probably look like weird little floating heads right now, but I just wanted to point out that we came here to the water to cool down, and now it's getting really cold outside, so we're in the water to warm up.
Because the water is warmer than the air right now.
So a complete 180 from when we walked down to the water. Another crab, he's probably gonna run away once you get near him. They're so well camouflaged. It just started downpouring. It's freezing rain. It's cold. And it's really windy. Hopefully you can see that. You can probably hear it. Everybody's out of the water. Everything's soaked. So sweet. Huh. I just found her on the beach.
Hi, baby. Say hi.
That's a kitty bee.
Put him down.
So small.
Yeah. We're currently walking in the water at sunset, and the water is like bathtub water. It is so warm.
There's a bunch of little kids playing soccer over there. That's really cool to see. It's a bit higher tide now. We got a bit deeper. We just got this 6-pack of water for 40 baht.
I'm a little nervous because it's all in Thai and we don't know if it's trustworthy water, but it's bottled, so let's hope.
Yeah, it says drinking, so we're gonna give it a shot. It was much cheaper than the other ones too.